Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. I am from the team Tech Troopers and today we are going to show you how to create a cafe website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we have basically created a cafe website which lets you reserve a table and order food and everything. So let me show you the output once so that we can show you how what kind of website we are thinking about. So here is our output. Here we have the navigation bar and we have the options over here such as menu, reserve a table, about us, contact, login, search and the cart option. So first we have a welcome page and we have some text over here and then we have some videos with some hovering effects over here. Then we have testimonials such as reviews from our customers. Then we have a book table option. We have the footer option over here which have also has a hovering effect and everything else. And as you click on the menu, we have a menu page over here, which includes some very good dishes. And as you click on the reserve a table, you can reserve a table over here with your name, email address, phone number, date of your visit, number of people, time of visit, occasion. And if you click on the reserve a table, our reservation details will be sent to your email address. And in the about us page, we have a letter from our team. In the contact us page, we have the contact us details, we have the Google Map details, and we have leave a message option. And again, if you click on home and if you click on login, we have the login page where you can enter your email and password, or you can log in with your Google or Facebook. Or if you don't have an account, you can also sign up for our website where you can sign up with Google and Facebook and so on. So let's get started with the code. First, let me show you the main code. Here I've created a folder with the name of cafe, and here we have home assets. Assets includes all the images and videos, and menu assets, which include all the items, photos, images of the dishes. Then we have different web pages, and we have a main JavaScript file, we have a main CSS file, and we have index.html. This is the main HTML website for HTML file for our website. Okay, so let's get started with the code here. First, let me show you here we have linked the CSS file using the link tag, and we have also linked this Cloudflare for get some good fonts options for our website. So moving down, here we have the header. In the header, we have created a logo page, a logo tag using the anchor tag, and then we have created a navigation bar using the class nav bar, which has buttons. Okay, so our buttons over here are home button, menu button, reserve a table, about us, contact, and login. So these all are done using anchor tags over here, and we have given them separate classes also. Okay, and then the navigation bar ends over here. So over here, the navigation bar ends, and we have all these options in our web pages. And moving down, we have the division class button over here, and then we have the icons. What are the icons? There's a search icon over here, and there's also a cart icon over here. As you can see in the output, we have a search icon and a cart icon. As you see over here, we have the search icon and the cart icon. Okay, and moving down more here, we have if you click on the search button, we have the input search. Let me show you. As we click on the search button, we have the input search as a placeholder over here. It comes as a pop-up, and if you click on the close button, the pop-up closes. So we have the input type and the search symbol over here, label, and the form ends over here. Okay. So let's move down. So first, as you can see, I have created a division which shows a login pop-up. Okay. So I have given the ID as login pop-up, class pop-up. Inside that, we have another division which holds the content of the pop-up. What is there inside the pop-up? And we have used the login or sign up in the H2 font. And then we have created another content division which has the login options. So login options include login button and email, password, submit button, and login menu which has email, password, submit. And if not, you have the social login over here. Social login division, we have the log in with Google or log in with Facebook over here, right? And then moving on, suppose if you have no account, that is the don't have an if you don't have an account, we have created the sign up menu over here with another division, and we have placed over here input text, email, password, and submit. So the form ends over here. Or you have sign up with social login, that is sign up with Google and sign up with Facebook. And if you already have an account, you can just switch to the login page. And over here, the login division container ends. So let me show you the login page once. If you click on login, the pop-up comes up. First, it shows the login page, login or sign up. Login page, you have email, we have password, and clicking on submit will log in you. You can log in with Google or you can log in with Facebook. Suppose you don't have an account, by clicking on sign up, we'll get you to the sign up page where we have full name, email, and password, etc. Or you can sign up with Google and sign up with Facebook. Clicking on the close button, we close the pop-up. So here we are done with our login section. Then moving down, here we have created another section which contains images. So these images are the images of the assets, that is homepage assets, like these images. As you can see, the background images which are moving, yeah, those images they are. So here we have created a division called image container, and which has the image list. What are the images over here? Let's see, home asset, image 1, image 2, and images 3. We have given a common style for all the images over here. And moving down, we have image button container, which has a slider button. As you can see in the website, we have given an automatic option to our images. They slide automatically, and I'm not automatic scroll. It's called as carousel. Okay. So moving down, we have closed the image section over here. Then we have the main section. The main section we have the division home and reserve, and we have created another division inside it, home text container. So home text container, right? It has all the basic text over here, as you can see. Welcome and welcoming me to your cafe, and some ready to serve you dishes on our cafe. Then we have happy to serve you and some text content over here about our cafe. This all we have enclosed it in the division called welcome container and the division called as welcome. You have see we have closed this close and we have closed the welcome division and the main division over here. So let me show you the text part. As you can see, we have the welcome. We have some text which is includes tells you about the cafe. Then we have some other text which tells you about the cafe over here also. So moving down, and we have here we have created another section which is called as the video section. Okay, so let me show you the output first. As you can see, we have two videos over here which show about the homely food which we have in the cafe and the authentic recipes which we have. So let me explain the code to you about this. You can see we have created a division called as video wrapper. Video wrapper in the sense it includes all the videos inside a container. So that's why we have created this division. And you can see we have used the video tag over here. We have used three main things: autoplay, loop, and muted. Autoplay is for just play the video automatically. You don't need to click on play or pause button. And the loop is for just keep on looping the video until you switch to any another website. And the muted is for to mute the background video noise or the video sound. And we have the source over here so that we can source the video home assets thing. And we have two videos over here. And then we have created a division called video overlay. Video overlay says the text you can see when I'm hovering on the video. This homely food and this authentic recipes. These text that is defined as the video overlay. Okay. So moving down here we have the video overlay and we are ending the video section over here. Right. And then next moving down we have the test container. We have the division called test and testimonials. Testimonials in the sense the reviews from our customers. So we have created a division called as testimonial, and we have created a carousel, and we have added different testimonials reviews from our different members, from our different customers over here. We have given them an image as the profile pic, and then we have included their name in the h2 tag, and then we have told their profession, and then we have said what are the reviews about us about the cafe mainly. Okay, so and moving down, we have some six images and some six testimonials, and these testimonials, as you can see, we have made them as a unlimited scroller. Like these keep on coming, repeating. If you click on the next button, we have more and more and more reviews, repeating reviews. Okay, so and then moving down again over here, we have over here as you can see, we have a button called reserve. We have a button, and we have a thing book is we have a division called as the banner. Over here, as you can see the banner over here, this is called as banner. We have placed a booker table, and we have also clicked a button over here. If you click on book now, it opens the reservoir table page like that. So let me show you the banner over here. Division banner, booker table, and we have the reserve a seat option and the button, book now button over here, as you can see. We are ending the banner division, and then moving down, we have the footer. The footer includes of all the footer options that you usually see in a cafe website, the about us, team, privacy policy, careers, and the contact and the legal and the followers on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn page, and the restaurant name and all that's out. So that's it all about the footer section over here. As you can see, these are totally full. We have used anchor tags over here. Anchor tags in the sense they allow us to click on the footer. So as you can see, we have the hovering effect, and clicking on the footer will bring us back to the web page over here. So you can click on these just anchor tags and Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter icons, as you can see. And then moving down over here, as you can see, we have linked the script, the JavaScript file to this HTML file using the script tag. So the JavaScript, as we know, it adds animations to our HTML, and it adds some good features. And other than that, it adds some other animations, etc. Yeah. So first, so then this is the main homepage of the HTML page. Then let me show you the main style page, the style.css, where we have included the styling of the main homepage. So this star indicates the universal, the whole web page styling. And we have imported some Google fonts over here, as you can see, imported Google fonts from Google APIs. We have given the basic styling, such as font family, box sizing, margin, and padding. Then moving down more, here as you can see, we have given some styling for the header which has fixed position, display flex, so that display flex we use for aligning the content, like display flex adjusts the content so that it fits inside the web page accordingly. Then we have the background color and the color over here and box shadow. Then we have the header dot logo. We have a style this using font size, font weight, and text decoration, letter spacing, color, margin. Then we have the header nav bar, navigation bar, which we have styled using display flex, justify content, align items, everything. Then the navigation bar, anchor tag styling using font size, font weight, and other than that, color, letter spacing, border radius. And we have the background color and transition for the header nav bar. You can see we have used hover option over here. Hover in the sense which adds the transition effect on the driver. So let me show you the effect once. As you can see, you can see a shadow or a highlighting effect on the navbar on the buttons. So this comes when I hover the cursor above these buttons over here, right? So this is done using the header and dot hover option over here, like that. Okay. Moving down, uh, our goal was to make the website more responsive also. So we have used the media frameworks here, so that even if we minimize the website, or if you open the website of our cafe in your Android phone or in your tablet, the HTML page accordingly adjusts to it. So let me show you. Suppose if we inspect the page over here, as you can see, our our pages has automatically adapts to the size changes like that. Okay. If I click on the options over here, the menu buttons open like this over here. So we have made a more responsive website over here. See. Okay. Then moving on next, we have used the added media over here to make it more responsive, and then we have given the similar styling so that the same styling is applied for the website if you open it on the Android phone or a tablet or any other desktop or laptop, right? Then moving down, we have the header icons over here, as we have placed search icon in the cart and we have styling the thing. We are styling them the search buttons and the cart icons. So moving down over here, we have the search form. Okay, so search form in the sense, as you have seen the search button over here, clicking on the search will get me the search button, search here and the option, and there's a pop-up over here. Moving down, we have the search button, search form. We have styled it according to our convenience, position, background, height, width. Moving down more, as you can see, we have the close button over here and the hover button. Like when I hover over the search, it changes its color. So as you see over here, it changes the color and like that. If I click move on this, the search icon has changes its color as you can see over here. So moving down more, let's go with our table container. As you can see, first we have made the reserve a table. We have styled the reserve a table menu over. So reserving a table, we have made a background image and some width, height, table container, which reserve form or reserve form is over here. So as you can see, let me show you the reserve table. We have included this background image over here, and then we have the form over here, reserve your table here, which includes the form details and everything. So we have styled the form accordingly using background color and the text color and the buttons over here. Like that's it, as you can see over here. So then moving forward, in the code we have the details about the contact us page. So let's go to the contact us page. As you can see, contact us, we have the Google Maps option here. We have some phone numbers, working hours, email ID, and some address over here so that you can contact us over there. So we have styled the contact details using the display flex option, the map and the map height and width, and the form details over here. We have used the display flex option mostly. This display flex is used majorly throughout our HTML page so that we can adjust the content accordingly so that it looks good. And then we have styled the form over here. Form contents, letter spacing, line spacing, and form button, form details. These are all the form details as you can see. So coming down more, we have the image container over here. These images are for the uh, slide. So in the menu, as you can see, we have this slider over here, images. These are the above images from our menu, our dishes available at the cafe. And then moving down, we have home text container and the welcome container. We have styled the welcome container accordingly using the welcome tag, dot welcome, background, padding, display flex. So coming down more, here's a video section. So over here in our home page, we have added these videos and we have added the hovering effect over here. Let's see how we have done that. So video section, I've created a separate section as you can see. Let me show you. Yeah, over here, this section, the video section, it has different divisions and classes. So let's see about that. Over here, video section, we have made the display as a grid. So we have made the display as a grid which includes two videos side by side and a grid gap of 5 pixels between each video. And video wrapper is about the width and height of how much the video should be displayed. And the position is given as relative. And video wrapper video are the width and height of the videos which we have added. And over here, as you come down, we have the video overlay. That this text is the text that comes when I hover the mouse or the cursor over the video. This text I was talking about. Yeah. So video overlay, we have given a transition over here. Opacity is 0.3 seconds over here, as you can see. And we have just basic styling that is width, height, background color, align items, position, and video overlay. So first, the main important part over is, as you can see, the before option, the before thing. So before I hover on the video, there's a transformation, and there's no transform. As you can see, scale X 0 over here. And then after I hover, we have the opacity 1 and transform as scale X 1. like that. That that adds a hovering effect to our video text, the overlay text on the video. Okay, and then so moving down, as you can see, here are product one tags. That is the dishes which I have shown you in the menu pages. These are the dishes that I have shown. We have the ratings for the dishes. Similarly, we have styled them according to their sizes, which are appropriate. Box shadow, margin, transition, position, and flex wrap, display flex. So moving down more, uh, here again we have added the added media option so that if you open the menu on the phone or on your tablet or on any other Android phone or iOS devices, the menu page appropriately adjusts to the width of your smartphone or the screen size of your smartphone. So this is done using the added media option over here and for the welcome, for the home text and the main thing. So moving down, as you can see here, we have the text container. The text container is about the testimonials that are the reviews from our customers. So we have styled them accordingly and we have wrapped them inside a carousel, right? So dot wrapper I, and then we have over here first child carousel over here. So we have added the carousel as a scroll bar and we have had no transition for the carousel and carousel card over here we have the scroll snap align start over scroll snap align starts adds this start scrolling the carousel of our testimonials of the customers and we have styled them accordingly using background height width border radius similarly then we have used the media over here so that the if you open the testimonials inside your Android phone, it automatically adjusts to it as I've shown you before. So let's see the testimonials page over here. Let me show you. Over here you can see our testimonials. We have the cafe, we have the person name, person profile, and what do they do, their profession. As we click on the next button, our testimonials will be loading and then they are repeating over here like that. Okay. So the moving down here we have the banner as I showed you. The banner is this thing. We have styled the banner accordingly using the background color, background image, and background size over here. Then we have the footer section. So we have styled the footer using the display flex option, and we have created rows, footer container, and footer. As you can see, we have added the hovering effect, the footer before hovering effect. So let me show you over here. Show you how the hovering effect works. So as you can see, if I am moving the cursor above these text over here, they are highlighted and they turn more whiter. This is the hovering effect we have entered over there. So these are all the hovering effects which I have added, and then again for responsiveness of the website. So then moving forward over here, we have the pop-up. So this pop-up we have created for the sign in button or the login, sign up or the login buttons. Then we have styled the pop-up accordingly uh, as a background color, pop-up content. Then we have the close button over here. Let me show you the pop-up once so that you can understand. So this is the pop-up. We have styled it accordingly. The background color, the text over here, and then if you click on sign up, it will changes to the sign up option, sign up with Facebook and all. So that's what about this was about. Then moving down here, you have the menu button. As you can see, menu button is about to social logins over here. As you can see, social logins such as login with Google and login with Facebook, and that's icons. A hashtag icon tag of the Google icon and the Facebook icon on the login page. These icons. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, the icon. So this was the main CSS file that has been linked to our HTML, which adds the hovering effects, the icons, and the styling of the images and the text to our main HTML page, to the main homepage of the cafe. So moving forward, let me show you the different HTML other HTML files for the navigation bar as we added. So as you look here, we have a menu, reserve table, about us, contact, and login. Login is works as a pop-up, so we have made it a pop-up. So as you can see here, I have the menu HTML over here. Menu mainly contains about the about the dishes we are offering. So can you see that we have created a section for each product. Product one, we have our menu over here. Then we have the product name, then the image of the product and the price of the product. And then we have star symbols, the ratings of the product. How much is the product rated according to the customers. So similarly, we have different products over here with their different prices, their ratings, such as these many products with different stars ratings to them and their different prices. These all things are about product. So as you can see here, we have created different divisions for different products, right? So and we have given a common class for all the products, so we can style them easily. We can style the container easily, and it's a common container for all the products like that. So and here coming down, we again have the footer section over here. Footer section in our menu page, as I showed you, similar to the footer section of our home page. So this was about the menu page. Now let me show you the reserve HTML. Coming to the reserve over here, we have the reservation form over here. Okay. So as you can see, reserve your tip. We have created a form which ID is as the reserve form, and we have the details: your name, email address, phone number, visiting, number of people, and time to book the slot, and the occasion of booking. And then we have the button over here. If you click on this button, all your reservation details will be sent to our email and your email so that you can check out accordingly. Okay. Then moving forward, we have the contact page over here. In the contact page, we have added contact us, the leave a message option, and a visit our cafe. We have added the address, the email, so that you can contact us on the email or you can call us directly, and our working hours over here. And then we have added the Google Maps so that you can reach us directly through all the maps if you're coming to the cafe. And let me show you the contact us page first. So over here we have the details, the address, the contact us, the phone number, the working hours, the Google Maps, which is functioning, the zooming in and zooming out. Similarly, and moving down, we have a leave a message option so that you can just drop your name, email, subject, and message if you want to give us a suggestion or a review. And here we have the names of the marketing managers, like who our team members' name. And here we have the footer section, similar to the homepage footer. So this, as you can see, we have the members' names over here, and then we have the footer section over here, similar to the homepage footer, and that's it. This was about the contact us page. Let me show you the about us page. So in the about us page, we decided to add we decided to add a letter from our team, the cafe team. Like, what do we want to convey to to our customer? So as you can see, we have used a paragraph tag which contains a letter from the from our restaurant team, and it shows up, and it also has an image over here. Let me show about this page. We have the letter over here, then we have the image of when was this cafe established, and we have the letter for our customers over here. So the about us page, right? So let me show you the about us CSS, about us styling. So this was a letter container. We have styled the letter header and the content according to this thing, and font size, font color, margin. This was all about the HTML pages and the CSS. Now let's move to the JavaScript, the main styling and the main animation of our web. Let me show you the JavaScript code. Okay, so as you can see, first over here we have the slider button over here. Right? We have given some variables over here. Let's slide button left, slide right, and image item, and using the add event listener function. Add event listener adds an event. If I click on the handle left button, so it will add the following event over here, and it slides the images. So let me show you over here. As you can see, the images are sliding automatically. I don't need to click. This was done using JavaScript. And moving down over here, these buttons, This was also done using JavaScript. This was all about the JavaScript thing. Slide button right slides the testimonials of the customers to the right, and to the left also similarly slide button left. And moving down, as we have the menu. We have created some more variables, the menu button and the close button. So as if you scroll down, add event listener. If you click on the dish, we'll show you the dish over here, and then we have the close button. If you click on close, the menu closes, and then the window on scroll. So the on scroll is thing such that if I scroll up, the dishes are highlighting. As you can see, we are having a hovering effect over the dishes. That is about the menu. So moving down over here, we have more. We have given some constant values such as a wrapper, the carousel, the first card width, arrow buttons, and carousel childrens. Carousel childrens are the dishes over here. So whole thing is given in a carousel, and carousel childrens are this different separate dishes, as you can see, right? So first we are having the let card per view, like it gets the number of cards that can fit in the carousel at once, and then insert copies of each of the carousel for infinite scrolling, and then add event listeners for arrow button to scroll the carousel left and right, so that you can scroll the carousel from the left and right as you wish. And then we have the initial cursor and scroll position of the carousel. So here is the infinite scrolling for the home page that I showed you. Right. Then moving down here, as you can see, we have the login JavaScript. So we have created two constants over here, login link and login pop-up. So add click event listener to the login link. As I click on the login button, the login pop-up displays, and when I click on the close button, the login pop-up closes. And then we have added two more constants, login menu and sign up menu. Clicking on the login, and we have added two constants over here, switch to login and switch to sign up. If you're new to our website and you're signing up for the first time, and that is you don't have an account, when you click on sign up, the sign up menu will appear. And then when you click on login, if you already have an account, the login menu will appear. This we have done using with the help of JavaScript. The function show login menu, the function show sign up menu, and the function switch to login and switch to sign up. So switching to, let me show you how it works. I'm clicking on the login on the home page. So first the login pop-up comes. If I click on the close button, the pop-up closes. Again, we have the email, we have password. And clicking on submit will log in me up inside the website. Now you can log in with Google and log in with Facebook also. Then as you can see, if you don't have an account, clicking on sign up shows the sign up menu where you can sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up separately. So this login pop-up was done with the help of JavaScript entirely. And this was all about the website that we have created for our cafe. And thank you for watching this video.